Emma, how does it feel being a BOTB Instant winner? A fantastic Volvo.
I'll not swear, it is amazing. It's amazing. Thank you so much. I couldn't believe it this morning. Couldn't believe it.
So tell me what happened. Like, what were you doing this morning? What made you go on and decide to grab some tickets for the instant win?
And I just thought, oh, I haven't done a BOTB in a while. So I went on and had a look at sort of ones ending today and put a couple of small ones on, and then went on the multi-prize one. And then I looked and it said, I had an email and I thought, oh, it's going to say I've got so many free plays or something like that. And then it said, you've won a Volvo. And I thought, nah, I still don't believe it. I've just spent a lot of money having my car fixed. So,
No way.
Yeah.
So what are you going to do? Do you think you'll take the Volvo or do you think you'll take the cash?
Difficult one. I think maybe the cash of the Volvo would be amazing, but I'll have to think and yeah, but either way, it is flipping amazing.
Have you told anyone yet?
No, I can't get hold of my partner. So, yeah, no, I haven't managed to tell him yet. He's at work. So, yeah, as soon as I can, I will. And at work, I think they all just think I'm being a bit weird this morning. So I've not told anybody yet. I said, I'm going outside to make a call and it's chucking it down with rain here. So.
Amazing. What part of the UK are you in?
In Doncaster.
Lovely. Okay, so up north. Fantastic. Well, look, fingers crossed I come and knock on your door with another car at some point.
Yeah, that would be amazing. I'll keep playing. I'll keep going for the Ferrari or something. You never know. You've got
nice.
to win
the
it,
California. Absolutely.
Yeah,
absolutely.
I saw that this morning and I was like, ooh, what would I do with that? But yeah, yeah.
Look, you can have your roof down in Doncaster when the sun does come out and you can be driving around in a Ferrari if you get some tickets for that one.
Yeah, maybe not today, but yeah.
Maybe not today, yeah. And
thank you so much.
Pleasure.
Yeah, still can't believe it. Yeah, thank you.
Well, look, I know that work might be a bit of a blur today, but try and enjoy it as much as you can. And when you do get hold of your partner, obviously let them know that you've won a fantastic prize with BOTB instantly.
Yeah, will do. Thank you.
No worries. Have a great day, Emma. We'll talk soon.
Thanks very much. Thank
Cheers,
you.
bye.
Take care. Bye.
And now enter our latest competition to win this convertible Ferrari for 22p.